will give a brief presentation about my recent research. And at first, I will give an introduction about myself. My name is Fan Shijian, and recently studying in the Chinese University of Hong Kong. And my period is the first year. I'm a field student, and recently I'm studying SARS-CoV-2 frame-shifting RNA, and in Professor Chen Gang's lab. And then I will give some basic ideas about my research. At first, what we want to do, we want to end the COVID-19 and what kind of method to kill the virus. We want to change the negative one ribosome frame shifting progress of virus. So what is negative one ribosome frame shifting? In this progress, the translating ribosomes shift back by one nucleotide along the mRNA to the negative one reading frame, and this will lead a single mRNA product to multiple proteins, and it is regulated by frame-shifting element FIC, converts the sequence of SARS-CoV-2 genomic RNA, and with what kind of agent? Peptide nucleic acid, PNA. And then, what is PNA? Peptide nucleic acid is an artificially modified nucleic acid, and what can it do? As the mention of the PNA is not negatively charged. It can form a very stable PNA RNA double-stranded structure with negatively charged RNAs with a phosphate skeleton. So what is its advantage? Because of its structure, this can make it chemically stable, and it can show excellent resistance to both nuclease and protease and non-immunogenicity. And what actually did I do? I use PNA's target frame shifting to target the frame shift stimulating element sequence of SARS-CoV-2 and test their effects on SARS-CoV-2 frame shifting. And then I will give some digressions. Many friends in this event made the same as me in the area of SARS-CoV-2. And we are researching and finding the way. However, no matter if your area is related with SARS-CoV-2, we are all trying to enhance the understanding of RNA for better application and getting stronger. The pandemic has extremely disturbed our world and broke the order. Everyone in different departments has certainly been influenced more or less, but I believe that if we work together, we will ride out of the storm. We can stand together to strangle this monster which doomed to be defeated by us. And thanks for listening.